Hello, consumer math students. For part one of the car project, you have to investigate the 2020 Toyota Camry XSE V6. You have no money to put down, and you're going to be filling out that chart with all the important information. Step one, once you get to Toyota.com, is you select the vehicle, and we're selecting that 2020 Camry. You'll scroll down to the payment estimator. And then there's some things that we have to fix right away. All right, first off, we are financing this car, not leasing it. Also, it's the wrong version of it. We do not want the LE. We want the XSE. Okay. Our first type of credit is going to be poor. We have $0 to put down. And then the length of the loan is going to be 24 months. We also are not receiving the rebate when we do our calculations, so you're going to want to remove that. So that means that on that 2020 XSE Camry for 24 months with poor credit, okay, my APR is 12.99, and my monthly payment is going to be $1,700 or $1,749. Thank you.